When it comes to New Year's wishes, many people may hope that their family and themselves will be healthy, prosperous, or even get out of being single as soon as possible. But his beliefs and wishes are, whenever he encounters something he really likes, he always seems to miss out on it. His first wish is that, no matter when he goes to the bakery, he can buy the specific bread he wants. Is that really a wish? But he looks really happy about it. Well, where should he go next? A quiet lawn picnic shop suitable for relaxation, bakery, coffee and dessert goods. Would be wonderful for this man to spend an afternoon in a daze. Yes, his second wish is, find a quiet place and enjoy an afternoon, without being disturbed by anyone. Such a wish is indeed not realized every day. Girls seem to have an innate love for decoration, such as replacing various phone cases for their phones, peeling off book covers for textbooks when going to school, hanging cute little gadgets on their backpacks, and giving everything new clothes, just like starting over. This is my final wish, to reset everything and start anew. The new year has arrived, and you can't have a new year without a cake. To treat myself for a year of hard work, I tried making a vintage frosting cake for the first time. It might be a bit rough around the edges, but the sense of accomplishment is huge. Whipped cream frosting, add coloring, and prepare, chill, pipe, and decorate. Simply brush the cake and refrigerate for 30 minutes to set. Finally, squeeze the prepared buttercream on the cake. Smooth it out and use your imagination to decorate it. When you're out of inspiration, you can also look around at things nearby, even though the final results might look quite different. But I still tried my best to make it look cute with a chubby belly.